just like what I predicted or what I forecasted last week. And also, based on the video I shared yesterday, which is Sunday, I said the market is currently ranging inside this box. And that is quite unfortunate for me because why? My trade is currently back into loss, as you can see right there. Okay, but I still have all this area right here trying to keep the trade active. If it happens that the market finally broke below here and killed my stop loss, I guess I'll be handed a couple of losses this week. But that's not the case. The case is how do we move forward from here? Okay. There are a couple of things that could play out today. Number one, there's very minimal data today. All the data that come in today are more like they are less impactful. Personally, because I'm trading, my trade is currently in loss, I wouldn't really want any extremely impactful data because that could spiral the whole chart, touch my stop loss, probably killed it, and then the market will go up. That would be very, very painful because I've been on this trade for the past 2 weeks. Okay, so I wouldn't want something like that, but it is according to what the market is willing to do or what is going to happen, which I don't really have any power or any control over. But what am I saying? The market could still actually go up. All right, there is possibility of the market actually going up. For gold, it's still bouncing to the upside. Why? Because despite the fact that it is ranging, but the market structure is still pretty bullish and it's ranging above a very strong resistance. Okay, you can see it was a resistance before and then now it's being used as what? As support. But the fact that it's being used as support, it also coming down to retest it and bouncing off it is making the level strong. At the same time, it's weakening it. It's just like jumping on the floor. Yeah, the floor is strong, but at the same time, the more you press on it, the more you jump on it, you're making it weaker. Okay, so the more you stepped on it, the more you bounce on it, you're making it weaker every single time you bounce on it. Okay, and that's why you see sometimes when where you've been stepping on for a very long time, you step on it and you just see that the bridge got broken or the bridge just cracked. Okay, because it has been pressurized too much. Okay, the exerted pressure on it is so much that it couldn't take it no more. It just had to break or it just has to crack or something. So this level also could get cracked, and we see the market actually come a little bit down. Okay, and probably even close me out in loss. This area right here. Okay, turning it to a bridge, or the market will just dip down heavily. So we might experience what happened to WTI last week. Okay, so if we get to see that, then I would definitely take a short trade, and I'm gonna take it in a very systematic way. So let me walk you through. If peradventure the market break below here, okay, cut me out in loss for sure. I'll be looking to take a short trade opportunity, and this is how it's gonna look like. The market break below here, I will look for at least 38.6% pullback. Okay, if I can see something like that, I'm gonna take a short trade for sure. Okay, and I'll be targeting this area first. This is the first area I'll be targeting, believe me. And also, don't forget we have all these short levels right here that could pose a threat to the short opportunity, to the short trade setup. Okay, or to the short trade opportunity. But at the same time, this is a major resistance level that could actually exert enough pressure for the seller that could make them kind of shake a little bit, or that we could experience a bounce of this level. All this level will get broken really quickly. Okay, so that's why I'm targeting this place, this area. Okay, this level right here, that's what I'm targeting first, and I will see how it goes. So that is for short trade setup. If peradventure that happens, okay, I'll be looking forward to take that short opportunity. But if otherwise this market keeps breaking to the upside, I mean it bounced off this level and then it returned my trade back into profit, and I get to be bouncing, stuff like that. Okay, the first thing is I will look for adding up, because the market has ranged for the past 2 weeks, don't forget, and this is what we call accumulation. The market is accumulating. Okay, it's accumulating orders, it's gathering momentum. So by the time it started moving, if it bounced to the downside, it's going to be very fast. Okay, and if peradventure it move and break this resistance, it's also going to be very fast, because the accumulation, the level of liquidity that it's been able to accrue together, that's been able to gather together, will make the market move extremely fast and with high volatility. Okay, and that is why I still keep this trade running and watching it so closely, because when the market break out of either of this level right here, it's gonna be a wild run. I've seen this happen countless times. You can actually go back and check the if gold ranges for 2 weeks at least. Okay, for 2 weeks, believe me, the next breakout is gonna be very fast. Even now ranges for a month, oh, that is always very fabulous, because it's gonna give you all those kind of 1,800 kind of peeps run. I mean, those kind of run that would be very amazing. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And if that happens to play out, I'll definitely update you tomorrow, so we know where we are and what we're doing moving forward. So that's that and good. I don't quite have much. The trade is running loss, but it's still open, because this is my stop loss right here. Unless this place got triggered or got taken out, then the trade will keep running for as long as it takes. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye.